Hi guys, this is Martin, aka MartinTheVlogger, and that's the Beast, BRP Can-Am Spyder F3s. And this video, how to make your custom taillights, it's for everyone, every F3s owner, or basically really anyone who would like to update their taillights, their brake lights using a little bit of the plastic and creativity. You will find out in this video what you will need and how I did it. Before I will start, of course, this video or this upgrade is not for everyone. It might be not road legal in some of the countries, and also those brake lights, yeah, I know they do have a purpose. You should be visible when you are braking, but Beast is everything about the style, Beast is everything about the performance, and that's my upgrade. I do it, and it's up to you if you like to follow it or not really. If you are still not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button. It will be awesome because you are informed every time I make a new video. Like or dislike for this video would be absolutely amazing, and avoid comments such as it's probably not road legal or it's not probably safe because you might be not visible or whatever. I'm aware of it, and at the end of the video you will see how the visibility has actually really changed. Oh yeah, and we can do voting. Vote out there which photo you like better. First one before the upgrade or after the upgrade? Now let's start with this video, how to build your custom taillights. What you will need is these plastic materials, obviously black one. I have it from a shop that sells models of cars or planes or trains, whatever. This is the thinner one, 0.75 centimeters. This is the thicker one, 1.25. As I'm trying to upgrade my prototype, now I will use the thinner one. You will need sharp scissors, pencil, and a paper, so you can draw the shape of the inside. Sometimes in Slovakia we say dummies have luck. So I was lucky. I was changing my tires on the car from winter to summer, and you know, my hands were dirty and I was touching the paper, and actually I was able to draw the shape with my dirty fingers, and I think it's a good tip. Some fine brushed paper for detailing, black marker for detailing, and these stickers, any kind of stickers that you can, you know, stick from both sides will do the job. Any kind of 3M. I'm using these GoPro replacements as the shops are closed. Now, the fine paper, see, not bad. Let's go test them. Coming back from the motorbike, actually I realized I don't like this thin material at all. It just looks cheap and whatever. So I'll come back to my prototype. I will just adjust the angle or this ending. It's way too much kind of roundish. So I'll make it more sharp like this. Hopefully you can see it. So you see, this is a normal channel and some things don't work on a first attempt. So don't get frustrated. Just, you know, try it, and if you don't like it, do a new one. So guys, hopefully you like it. In case you need any help, just write me into the comments. I will get back to you. Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to find out a little bit more about the Beast, have a look at my channel. There are various videos out there, some crazy riding as well. Also, there are new series riding around Slovakia now, so you can see my beautiful country from behind the wheel of the Beast. And now, guys, just remember, always have fun.